Hello and good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 10 here at Chemeketa. It's Dr. Bob and my buddy Shelby there. Okay, first thing I wanted to cover was the paper. Most of you, I've read through some of them. They look fine. I want to clarify the announcement I made on the paper extensions. That the purpose of the paper of allowing an extension on the paper was that just a few of you, not many, a couple in each of my online classes didn't get the paper in on time. And so I gave an extension to allow for those people to get it in. Now, they will be subject to the 10% late policy. So keep that in mind. I've been getting a lot of requests for people who want to resubmit their paper. And I asked this, that was not the purpose of giving the extension. It was not so that you could go back and rewrite your paper or make it, improve upon it. First of all, most of the papers look fine. They don't look like they need any improvement anyway. And also, it wasn't the intention of the extension. So if you really think you blew the paper and it's just horrible and you want to work on it some more and resubmit it, go ahead. But I ask that you please consider the fact that, one, it creates more work for you and it's going to create more work for me. And my objective here is to get these graded. Usually I do the grading on Wednesday, but if I have to wait until Friday for you to resubmit that paper, then it's going to mean, again, more work for both of us. So please, unless you really think you blew the paper, don't resubmit it. I'm sure you did fine with what you turned in. Okay, so this week's discussion is about globalization. And you should be able to grasp from your textbook or from the PowerPoint that I posted for this week's module some of the theories, if you will, the ideas on how we can eliminate global inequality. If you look at a number of theories like world systems theory, where you have these core countries like the United States, Great Britain, France, the G8 or the G12, whatever you want to call them. And they're the major economic powers in the world. Then you have these periphery countries, the ones that are somewhat on the outside, and the semi-peripheries as well, and how the core countries tend to use them for raw materials, for resources, for labor, and yet those countries are not developing as well as the core countries. And so those are some of the theories how we can help with global inequality, and there's of course a number of different theories as well. So that's your discussion question. Next week is the final exam. Yay! And that'll be our final week together. So you have the one thing I want to point out on the final exam now. It'll pop up there midnight, 12:01 if you want, Monday morning. So you can start on it right away. But it is due Friday, June 10th. Unlike our other assignments, which have been due on Sunday night. They are due by Friday, and that means you have all week to work on it. It should not be a problem for you if you get started on it right away. And the reason for that is simple. I've got a bunch of them to grade. I've got, like I say, I teach 3 online courses, and they all have their final exams next week. And I need to then get those grades submitted so that you'll know what your final grade is for the course. So please get started on it right away. Make sure you get it turned in on time, and I'm sure you all do fine. As always, I'm available if you have any questions, concerns. Send me an email, give me a call, whatever it's going to take. And, I'm here to see you succeed. So have a great week. Sun's shining, should be nice. If you get an opportunity, get outside a little bit and enjoy the sunshine. So anyway, hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to all you good people very soon. Thanks. Bye.